Oh, we dodged a bullet today when the big monthly unemployment number came in fairly hot with big job creation numbers, 199,000 in November, causing the unemployment rate to fall to a lower than expected 3.7%. Just enough for us to say the economy remains healthy without much inflation, as wages didn't rise too much. That means the soft landing thesis is alive and well, giving the averages another reason to rally, with the Dow gaining 130 points, S&P advancing 0.41%, NASDAQ climbing 0.45%, because we're just not that all worried about the Fed right now. Which brings me to the game plan for next week, because on Wednesday, the Federal Reserve tells us its next move, coupled with Jay Powell's press conference. Now, anyone who's watched this show knows where I stand on Powell. I said it wasn't his fault that things got overheated in America, because it happened everywhere else, too. He took the tough action he needed, rapidly jacking up interest rates, and now he's almost brought back inflation to the Fed's 2% target. Right now, there's one thing that rankles me about all of this, though. No matter what happens, there are plenty of traders who love to play this ridiculous guessing game about the Fed's next move. You cannot pay attention to these short-time blowhards. For example, at this moment, they're frantically trying to figure out if this morning's job numbers will keep the Fed on hold, not eager to cut rates anytime soon, which is the prevailing wisdom. The prevailing wisdom, people, is wrong. I don't want you to get caught up in this ridiculous sideshow. Right now, good news about the economy is good news for the stock market, because the Fed doesn't need to do anything. Powell is winning the war against inflation, and that's all that matters. As long as Powell's winning, meaning the economy is still creating jobs, relatively low wage inflation, he's fulfilling his mandate. He doesn't need to cut rates. He doesn't need to raise rates. At neutral position is enough to justify sticking with our stocks here.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.